Top 10 Cheap Retro Superbikes. Number 10.
The Yamaha FZR 1000 X-Up. Pick them up now for just $3.5 grand. Awesome bits of kit. Predecessor to the Thunder Race and then to the R1. Gorgeous looking bikes. Such cheap bargains nowadays and you rarely see them.
Number 9.
Suzuki TL1000R. Big thumping V-twin. Often overlooked in comparison to the SP1. But a great looking bike. Pick them up now for about $3.5–4 grand. Iconic looking seat hump on it. Great colour schemes. A big, heavy, thumping V-twin. One of the most iconic bikes made, I think, in that time period. And of course, doesn't have the reputation of the Widowmaker like its predecessor, the TL1000S. Made similarly like the VTR1000 SP1 to take on the Ducati's V-twin might, but it never quite cut it.
Number 8.
The CBR 1100 XX Honda Super Blackbird. The one that started the competition to have the highest top speed of a factory bike. Such a bargain bike, 1500, 1600 quid for an awesome bit of kit. Comfy, super fast, great handling, great quality. Spurred Suzuki into making the Hayabusa, Kawasaki into making the ZX12.
Number 7.
One of the best looking bikes in my opinion, the Kawasaki ZX7R. Absolutely awesome bit of kit. Brilliant stable front end. Pick one up now for $2 grand, $2.5 grand. Such a bargain bike. Smiles per mile, it can't be beaten. Bit chunky. They're just such a good looking bike. Such an iconic shape. Such a great engine.
Number 6.
The GX750 S-Rad. Wow. I remember this coming out. Such an iconic shaped bike. I absolutely loved riding one of these for the first time in the summer. Thanks to Big Stevie. Pick them up for under $2 grand. eBay prices are a bit silly, but shop around. Just loves to rev. Great looking bike. That seat hump is just iconic on its own.
Whoa, build those revs up.
Number 5.
The ZX7's big brother, the ZX9R. Again, another iconic shaped motorbike. Such a bargain nowadays. Gorgeous colours. Again, that monster 900 engine you could pick up for around 1500 quid. Not sure about the green screen, but that green and purple Kawasaki colour scheme is just iconic on its own. 140 brake horsepower. 180 kilos dry. Awesome bit of kit.
Number 4.
The Aprilia RSV Mille. $2 grand for something like this. It's just crazy money. Absolute bargain. Big old V-twin. Plagued with a few electrical issues in the early days, but such a bargain price nowadays for such an iconic bike, especially if you pick up something that's like a Haga or an Edwards rep. Bargain at around £2,000. Such a great bike.
Number 3.
Bit biased here myself on this one, obviously, because I've got one. The Honda Fireblade CBR 954RR. The last of the Bubba blades. Pick these up now for around the £3,000 mark. Try and get one that's got low mileage if you can, which is a bit of a rarity. They just go on forever, do everything. Such lightweight bike with a lovely powerful engine there. Just love to rev. Great handling, great looking bike as well. It's definitely got that look back factor.
Number 2.
A personal favourite of mine, the ZX1000. Once World Superbike went 1000cc for inline fours. That was it, opened the doors. And the ZX1000 was Suzuki's answer. Bargain price nowadays. Such iconic bikes. The K6 is just an absolute beast. What was a big, cumbersome, heavy, powerful beast in a GSXR1100 became a lightweight, powerful, nimble, razor sharp weapon. The moment you've all been waiting for.
Number 1.
The Yamaha R1 before the Big Bang engine. I say the pre-Big Bang engines because after that the prices just start to get a bit silly. Pick these up now for around £2,500. eBay prices are silly. Such an iconic colour scheme, both in the red and white and in the blue. A great bike. It was an absolute game changer. The blade come out, changed everything, and then this was Yamaha's answers, which just went a step up. And they've remained there since the R1 has been made, really, until this day. They're still one of the ones to be beaten. And the original ones now are just going up and up in price. If you can get hold of a 4XV for a decent price, do it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Have I got it wrong? What would you have as number 1? Is your bike not on there?